Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. This simple yet profound statement is a cornerstone of effective productivity. It suggests that our mental energy should be spent on generating creative thoughts and solutions rather than being bogged down by the clutter of unorganized tasks and responsibilities. This intriguing thought from David Allen's book, Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, immediately makes us think, doesn't it? The book has been a game changer for many, offering a fresh perspective on how to handle the myriad of tasks that life throws at us. It's not just about getting things done, it's about doing so in a way that reduces stress and increases efficiency. We've all felt that sense of overwhelm, like our minds are crammed full with to-dos, appointments and ideas. It's a common experience in today's fast-paced world where the demands on our time and attention seem never-ending. The constant barrage of information and tasks can leave us feeling mentally exhausted and emotionally drained. It can feel like we're constantly wading through a mental swamp. This swamp is thick with the muck of unfinished tasks, forgotten appointments, and fleeting ideas that never quite make it to fruition. It's a murky, confusing place where clarity and focus are hard to come by. Allen's book offers a lifeline, a structured system to manage the torrent of tasks and information that floods our lives. By implementing his methods, we can transform our chaotic mental landscape into a well-organized, efficient system. This system allows us to capture every task, idea, and commitment, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Imagine our minds not as a cluttered attic, but as a serene lake. This lake is calm and clear, reflecting our thoughts and ideas with perfect clarity. It's a place of peace and tranquility, where we can focus on what truly matters without the distraction of mental clutter. When we're relaxed and focused, the lake is calm, reflecting clear thoughts. In this state, we can think more creatively and make better decisions. Our productivity soars, and we feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. But when we're stressed and overwhelmed, the water becomes murky, filled with worry and unfinished business. This murkiness clouds our judgment and hampers our ability to think clearly. It creates a sense of anxiety and frustration, making it difficult to move forward. Getting Things Done, or GTD as it's commonly known, is all about achieving that mind-like water state. It's a methodology that helps us clear the mental clutter and achieve a state of relaxed control. By externalizing our tasks and commitments, we free up mental space for more important and creative thinking. It's about creating a system outside our heads to hold and manage our commitments, freeing our minds to focus on what truly matters. This external system acts as a trusted repository for all our tasks and ideas, allowing us to approach our work with a clear mind and a focused attitude. In doing so, we can achieve a sense of balance and harmony in our lives, much like a serene lake reflecting the beauty of the world around it. David Allen, a productivity consultant, developed GTD to address the feeling of being overwhelmed by our to-do lists. His method has revolutionized the way people approach their daily tasks and long-term goals. Imagine a giant backpack filled with rocks. That's what carrying around a jumbled mental to-do list can feel like. Each rock represents a task, a responsibility, or a worry that weighs us down, making it difficult to move forward with clarity and purpose. GTD provides a framework to empty that backpack, organize the rocks, our tasks, and create a clear plan for dealing with each one. By systematically processing and categorizing our tasks, we can transform chaos into order and stress into productivity. The beauty of GTD lies in its simplicity. It encourages us to break down our tasks into manageable actions, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. This approach not only helps in managing our workload, but also in maintaining a clean and organized workspace. It's not about working harder or faster, it's about working smarter. By focusing on what truly matters and eliminating unnecessary distractions, we can achieve more with less effort, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. By implementing a few core principles, we can transform our relationship with work and achieve a sense of calm control over our lives. GTD teaches us to capture everything that has our attention, clarify what each item means, organize the results, reflect on our options, and engage with our tasks effectively. This holistic approach not only boosts productivity, but also enhances our overall well-being. Imagine your mind is like an email inbox. Every day, new emails arrive, representing the constant influx of thoughts, tasks, and ideas that demand your attention. Emails constantly arrive, representing thoughts, tasks, and ideas. These emails can quickly pile up, creating a sense of chaos and overwhelm if not managed properly. If we don't manage our inbox, it becomes cluttered and overwhelming. The same goes for our minds. Without a system to capture and clarify our thoughts, we can feel stressed and disorganized. GTD, or getting things done, starts with capturing and writing down everything that grabs our attention. This process helps to clear our mental inbox, making space for more focused thinking. This could be as simple as jotting down a note or adding a task to a digital to-do list. The key is to get it out of your head and into a trusted system. Once we've captured our thoughts, we need to clarify them. What action is required? This step is crucial for transforming vague ideas into concrete actions. If it's actionable, we need to decide the very next step. This might involve breaking down a large task into smaller, more manageable steps. For instance, a project like write a report can be daunting. For example, instead of write a report, our next action might be research topic for report. By breaking it down, we make the task less intimidating and more achievable. Capturing and clarifying are the first steps to mastering your workflow and reducing stress. By implementing these practices, you can transform chaos into clarity and productivity. Think about it. We don't use a hammer to eat soup or a spoon to build a house. Similarly, in GTD, we organize our actions based on the context in which they can be completed. We create lists for things to do at home, at work, on the computer, errands to run, and so on. By organizing our tasks by context, we avoid feeling overwhelmed by a massive, undifferentiated to-do list. We can focus on the actions we can realistically take in our current situation, making us more efficient and less stressed. Section 5. The power of reflection. Your weekly review. Imagine you're going on a road trip. You wouldn't just start driving without checking the map and planning your route, would you? GTD emphasizes the importance of a weekly review, a dedicated time to reflect on our commitments, review our lists, and plan for the week ahead. This regular review is crucial for keeping our system up to date and ensuring we're moving towards our goals. It's a time to celebrate accomplishments, reassess priorities, and clear out any mental clutter that's accumulated during the week. Section 6. Engaging with your to-dos, next actions. Think of a recipe. It doesn't just say make a cake, it breaks down the process into clear, sequential steps. Similarly, GTD encourages us to identify the next action for each task, the very next, physical, visible step we need to take to move the task forward. This might involve making a phone call, sending an email, or simply gathering the materials needed for a project. By focusing on the next action, we overcome procrastination and gain a sense of momentum. Section 7. Why GTD matters. Why is GTD so powerful? Because it addresses a fundamental human challenge, managing the ever-increasing complexity of modern life. We are bombarded with information and demands on our time. GTD provides a framework to regain control, reduce stress, and achieve a sense of calm focus. The principles of GTD are not just about getting things done, they're about creating space for what truly matters, spending time with loved ones, pursuing our passions, and living a fulfilling life. Section 8. Bringing GTD to life. The beauty of GTD is that it can be adapted to any lifestyle. Whether you prefer pen and paper or digital tools, you can tailor the system to fit your needs. The key is to find what works for you and commit to using it consistently. Start by identifying areas where you feel most overwhelmed. Is it your work life, your personal commitments, or a combination of both? Then gradually implement the principles of GTD one step at a time. Section 9. your journey to stress-free productivity. Mastering productivity is an ongoing journey, not a destination. As your life changes and evolves, so too will your GTD system. The key is to remain flexible, experiment with different approaches, and find what works best for you. So, what are you waiting for? Take a deep breath, clear your mind, and embark on your journey to stress-free productivity with Getting Things Done. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when your mind is free to focus on what truly matters.